Monster MUTT Spin Master Monster Jam Series 16 Rock Crowd. If you haven't already noticed or known about this, that the box is completely different for the 2021 version of trucks, where now they have the box coming up this way. It's a little bit angled, but so it's a little bit better for collectors, so that these tabs up here in the right and left hand corners don't get bent as easily. And also down here, just the warning is a little bit different also compared to the other cards of the warnings in past years. So let's go ahead and unbox Monster MUTT. Here we go, Monster MUTT. Check it out. There's the Willy bar. If you haven't seen it already, that's what the Willy bar looks like. We get different colors of Willy bars, which is pretty nice. Here it is, the Monster MUTT, a new die-cast body here in 2021 with the ears. So not too much of the body itself, but the ears are flat down, so it's a little bit different, and it covers the name of the truck a little bit. Pretty cool to have the ears down. It looks really cool like this. Closer look of Monster MUTT for you. Front is all the same. Everything is mostly the same. Just the ears, like I just mentioned not too long ago. And then we get those red wheels. So, coming back. And then with the Willy bar, you are able to do some wheelies. And then if you put it on the front, you can do some moonwalking. So let me grab it and put it in the front for you. There we go. I forget what version this one is, from 2019 or from last year. Anyways, you can see the difference in the ears. The color of the ears is also different. The new one is more of a lighter brown than the previous years. Looks nice. So thank you for tuning in to the unboxing of Monster MUTT here in 2021. If you want to check out the other trucks in this series and a poster, stay tuned. The other trucks in Series 16 is Son of a Digger in Legacy Trucks, Kraken in Arena Favorites, Grave Digger Arena Favorites, Elemental Trucks, Zombie, Soldier Fortune Legacy Trucks, Grey Clips Mohawk Warrior, Boneyard Trucks, Shaker, Arena Favorites, Gravedigger, Showtime. Here is the poster for Series 16, Soldier Fortune in action.